Futures on the US stock indexes are extending a rally in anticipation of the huge stimulus bill which is about to be signed by the US president. The US dollar also received a boost from the news on progress on a stimulus package. Risky assets rebounded and Bitcoin followed suit, having jumped another 6%. Today, on March 1st, the US stock indexes are trading notably higher. Wall Street is overwhelmed by optimism in light in progress towards the large-scale government relief package. The Dow Jones climbed 1.04%. The US House of Representatives approved the long-awaited coronavirus relief bill worth $1.9 trillion early on Saturday. Then, the Senate should approve the bill as the next move. Eventually, the stimulus package will be submitted to the desk of President Joe Biden. Another pharmaceutical company reported on its success in developing a vaccine against the coronavirus. The news certainly aided to the overall investors' optimism. The US Food and Drug Administration greenlighted the vaccine by Johnson & Johnson for an emergency use. As a result, the company's shares surged 2% in the American pre-market. The US dollar is asserting strength against major currencies amid the overall optimism across global financial markets about the rapid recovery of the US economy. The greenback advanced against the euro and the yen. The US dollar index grew 0.14% to trade at 91.08. The reason why traders are buying the US currency is that the US House of Representatives passed the unprecedented stimulus bill at the size proposed by Joe Biden. Meanwhile, the Canadian dollar is much confident than its American counterpart. Having shed 0.4%, the USD CAD pair settled down at near 1.2675. Today, Bitcoin jumped over 6%, joining the rally of other risky assets. The most popular cryptocurrency is now trading at $48,117 per token. Analysts agree that Bitcoin is now at a tipping point, having gained support from such high-tech giants as Tesla and MasterCard. Apparently, the number one cryptocurrency has entered the stage of its mainstream acceptance that will ensure its worldwide use. Today, a series of macroeconomic data from the United States is on investors' radars. The Institute for Supply Management is due to post a manufacturing index for February. The indicator is expected to increase to 58.9 from 58.7 in January. And that's all for today. We keep monitoring the financial market situation. Subscribe to our channel and see you tomorrow.